Hey guys, this is Train Man Ray here, and way down there I'm looking at a train coming down the tracks. I mean way down there. Normally I don't start my video so soon, but thought I'd show you guys. There's the train. Now I won't be active for a month because I'm going to be making a trip down to Shawneetown, Illinois in the southern part of the state, visiting family. So I wanted to get this while I could before I took off. Would love to get more than one, but if I get one, that's okay. Pretty funny because we were about to leave to get something to eat, and then just as soon as we turned the car on and the air came on, I heard a horn. And then right down there you see it crossing gate.
Dad.
Oh, Franny.
Hi, is that train?
Yes, Franny.
Can't wait about the real fans.
Fine.
Hi.
Hold on.
Whoa. Hi.
Hold on.
Beep, 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 beep.
You were zoomed in too much. There, now you can say hi.
Hi.
And there's my stepdaughter Frances wanting to wave at the camera.
What's the whoa, wait, what's the
Oh, look at this. We got a high railer. Oh, yeah.
Daddy, train's coming.
2-in-1 special. A high railer ain't a train.
Wait, what's it on backwards? Wait, what's it on? Wait, train's coming closer.
Okay, Franny. All right, we got a tune of the horn from the guys in the high railer. Yeah, love it. A little bit of live action here, as a guy named Jawtooth would say.
Jawtooth, really? Wait, really? Wait, really? Why can't I take it through here? Wait, is that train coming?
Yeah, Franny, he'll come as soon as the high railer passes him.
Wait, is it connect? Wait, no! Wait,
What?
the train cannot go through.
What the hell are you talking about?
Where's the gate?
That don't mean nothing.
No, wait till the train comes, then the gate will go down. Dad, why'd you call me?
Well, I had to move out of the way of the tree. I wanted to get the high railer.
That's not highway. Highway.
Yeah, it is, Franny. That's what they call them.
What is it?
High railer.
Train's coming. Oh, do you think the train actually connected?
Franny, I don't know.
I started recording him. mommy. me, okay, Ray?
Yeah.
Mom, you hear that?
What?
Mom said, let the train go through, then I'm gonna go through. She said.
Okay.
Mom, how come where's the train go? Where's the highway to? Highwire when the highwire, yeah. Where that one is. Is that train way down there? Nope. It's stuck. Don't record me.
I'm already recording. What the heck are you talking about?
The highway can't go yet. The train's waiting.
In a way, I kind of wish the high railer didn't show up because I'd love the train to come through.
That's why the train stopped, let him go through.
Well, if I'm lucky, they won't be on the tracks long and the high railer will come right back through here.
Then the train might go through.
Yeah, Franny, that's what I'm hoping.
Like a bug on you?
Yeah, just a little gnat.
Smack him. But do you think the highway will come right back?
I don't know, but that's what I'm hoping. Sorry, guys, for the movement. I had to switch hands.
There's people walking. See them?
Yes, Franny.
Look at someone down the head.
What?
That's a hat.
Yeah, no kidding.
Ray, the car died. Ray, the car died.
I really doubt that. Okay, there they go, off the tracks. We will have our train coming through, by the looks of things.
But that's not a train, that's a car.
Franny?
What?
A train has 3 lights. And that's what I'm seeing, is 3 lights.
That's actually a car.
No, it's not.
It is a car.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No.
Where the heck is it? An airplane?
Franny. Come on now.
Where is it, a train?
Yes.
Well, how did the highway go?
I don't know, they might go to the BNSF office.
That's where they're headed. There, they're right there. Dad, you see the train's coming?
I don't know, but for my fellow rail fans, I am glad I started this video early since I got that high railer in. I wasn't going to, but took the chance.
There he is, the highway.
So I do apologize if this turns out to be a long video. I could have cut it short, but I don't take a chance on that because I've had videos mess up by doing that. I could have paused it too,
Yeah, here comes the train.
but I also have videos mess up if I try and pause it, so Just bear with me, guys.
Wait, is the train coming?
Franny, if the train wasn't coming, I wouldn't be
Oh,
sitting
I
here
hear a train
recording.
horn. Where's the highway?
No, that's the train, Franny.
No, over there.
I don't know. I ain't paying attention. Concentrating on my video.
He's coming.
Alright, guys, there's the train. Listen to that horn, guys.
Get in the carway.
Go ahead. Hey, maybe I could get that truck to blow a horn. Heck yeah! That's always fun. I miss having that on recording. Haven't had that on recording in a long time. So yeah, if anybody likes trucks, you've got a horn blown too. Again, sorry for the constant movement. Had to switch hands again. But yeah, I do apologize if this is going to be a long video. I really do. I just wanted to keep this going, just in case if something was coming up. Like the high railer and the truck that I got the horn for. Oh, don't tell me they're backing up. Does it look like they're backing up?
It does, but are you listening close? There was one on the other side of the bridge.
I never heard that one, just the one that was backing up. Okay, guys, you heard that. We got one backing up, but we still have another one coming. Hence the reason the one was backing up.
I know, he's still right there. Waiting.
No, Franny, he's not. You really look closely.
That may have been the reason why the engine, the car that went through, got off the tracks, and that may have been why that one guy got out, was to throw a switch track. Put this guy on a different line.
No, 2 is and took up to him.
But yeah, guys, if you heard that, my wife said the high railer probably threw the switch for the other train to come.
Did you hear that horn?
That ain't from that train. That horn's from the one over there.
Nah, I think it's that one down there.
No, it's not.
It's not that loud, dear. He's farther back than what we think. There was one on the other side of the bridge, and he was over there. I saw him over there. That's one main reason why I came here.
But I'm hearing that one.
I'm hearing that one.
Well, something's up.
Dad, record a train. Dad, record it. Man, he's not connected. He got 2 is and took up to him.
Franny, how in the world can you see that far if it's 2 engines?
You got Mommy's hair in the way.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get her in camera. I don't care. She's worth it.
2-8, man. Backing up. 2-8.
Yeah, I knew it was backing up, Franny.
Right, it came from. Dad, passing that way.
Now, if there's one coming from that direction, you buying me dinner?
How would I buy with no money?
Today is Thursday, right?
Yes.
Duh.
Why?
You
Because
ring.
my 11:30 alarm went off.
Oh.
Chris, go out. Can we skip the train?
I don't know. But yeah, guys, if you hear my daughter talking, she's wanting to go out to eat. There's where we're gonna go. Right there to good old DQ. Great place.
Dad, can we just skip the train for today?
Hey, I don't want to be missing a train.
Too late. Train's coming. I hate the train.
Hey, we're on schedule to catch trains.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, yes.
No.
Oh, yes.
No.
I think he is one of the guys that works at JBS.
Think so?
Can we go out when I'm hungry?
Can we go out? We are out.
And all those black guys do have things for the white people. Because they see me going through shipping now, and each one of them makes a point to at least smile, wave, or give me a polite gesture.
Dad, train.
Every one of them.
Dad, can I go to DQ?
Alright, guys, well, for now, stay tuned. I'm going to have the camera on pause. This video is going to be too darn long as it is. But hopefully you guys will watch it. Because we're going to have a good train coming, I believe.